Hey there, this is Pat from Junto, and today we're going to do a quick walkthrough to show you how to add a new user into Google Analytics. So the first thing we're going to do is log into our Analytics account. As we can see, we're just looking at our sample account right up here. Once we log into Google Analytics, we're going to scroll down to this admin widget right down here, which is going to take us to this screen from here. So to add a new user into Google Analytics, it's just going to be a couple quick steps. We're going to go into User Management. And then we're going to see a full list of all the different email addresses that currently have access to our Google Analytics account. So what we're going to do is click this plus button in the top right corner and go to add a new user. And then what we'll do in here is we'll just type in the email address of the new user, sample user at junto.digital, let's say. Check the box to notify new users by email. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to customize the permission settings in here. So in order to give someone full Google Analytics access to view your account, customize essential features in there, you're just going to check these boxes: edit, collaborate, and then read and analyze. As we can see, we're getting flagged right there. But we would basically just check those three boxes. I'll add in my email, digital. And once we add in those three boxes, we will be good to go. So then we're just going to click the add button, and just like that, my personal email is going to get an invitation to edit Google Analytics.